Want to knock enemies back while sliding? Here's how to slide kick in Fortnite. First, make sure sprinting is enabled in your settings. You can't slide without sprint. Start sprinting by holding your sprint key. Shift on keyboard or left stick on controller. Then press your crouch button while sprinting to slide. If you hit a player while sliding, bam, that's a slide kick. You can change your crouch or sprint keybinds in settings under keyboard controls or controller options. Slide kicks deal damage and push enemies away, perfect for finishing off fights or escaping tight spaces. Practice your timing, and you'll be knocking people across the map in no time. Hit that like and follow for more fast Fortnite guides.